This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a simple omelet. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of milk or water, and a dash of salt and pepper for seasoning. Don't forget your favorite fillings like shredded cheese or fresh herbs. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a whisk, and a spatula ready to go. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk or water, along with a pinch of salt and pepper. Whisk the mixture vigorously for about 30 seconds until it's a uniform light yellow color and slightly frothy. Next, place your non-stick pan on the stove over medium-low heat and melt 1 teaspoon of butter or a drizzle of oil. Once your pan is hot and buttered, pour the whisked egg mixture directly into the center. Tilt the pan gently to ensure the eggs spread evenly and coat the entire bottom surface. Let the omelet cook undisturbed for about 30 to 45 seconds until the edges start to set and the center is still a bit runny. Now, use your spatula to gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the middle, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. When the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist on top, it's time for your fillings. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese or your chosen ingredients over 1/2 of the omelet. Continue cooking for another 15 to 30 seconds, just until the cheese is melted and the eggs are almost fully set. Finally, carefully fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the filled half and gently slide your perfect, simple omelet onto a plate. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.